Hi and welcome to Tampa, Florida for SOFIC 2018. Many products dedicated to Naval Special Forces are being showcased on the show floor. Let's check some out.
This is the Combatant craft medium, 60-foot boat designed for special operations through open competition. Got the contract. We've been building these for a couple of years now. Delivered 17 of them and continuing to build more of them as we go. It's a unique hull design designed specifically for special operations. It covers a lot of mission sets within special operations, insert extracts, all the traditional special operations SEAL missions and things like that that are important for SOCOM to be able to function. And the boat is pretty modular. We're able to add and change, add weapons, more antennas, more capability as the boat evolves and improves over time. This is the export variant of the Combatant craft medium. We took all the proven technology of the hull design and the form factor and created an export version. This is actually the first time we've shown this model in public. It's out here for the demonstration. This boat is a 70-foot boat, 70 knots. It's projected to build. This one is tailored for sales in the overseas market. It's an interceptor craft to be able to catch up with anything you need to chase down or military craft. We're selling it as a boat, not as a weapon system, so it's ITAR compliant and marketable for us to sell in its current form as we have here. Because it's still conceptual, the needs of whoever wants it, if they have unique requirements, the boat can be tailored to that as we build it. Yeah, we've had interest from a couple of special forces, mostly around the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Kuwait, things like that, but we're open to any other markets that are available.
Hi, I'm Jim Keller with Zodiac Milpro. We're here at SOFIC in Florida presenting our newest Zodiac platform, the 13-meter Interceptor. This is a perfect interdiction offshore interceptor platform. It's available for many customers who might want a baseline boat reconfigurable to their specific mission. The boat is built in Vancouver, British Columbia, and it's just starting its world tour, or finishing up in the United States. We've visited many government users and other private customers. Next we'll go to Europe for a European tour and then on to Southeast Asia.
Dry Combat Submersible model. It's the first time we've had an opportunity to unveil it. It's a U.S. SOCOM program, essentially a submersible capable of carrying a number of swimmers, specified distance, dry, warm, energized and refreshed in a way that is much more physiologically important for the mission, provides them an opportunity to better prepare for the mission, as opposed to the SWCS, Shallow Water Combat Submersible, the Seal Delivery Vehicle, SDV, which are both wet submersibles. Clearly, this is a way to deliver swimmers underwater. The SWCS and the SDV also deliver swimmers underwater. We work in close cooperation with our partner, who is Submergence Group, and one of their wholly owned subsidiaries, M-Subs, in Plymouth, UK. So this is truly an international venture with a very capable small business to design this over a couple of years now. The contract was let in 2016. So it's been about 2 years now that we've been working on this. We will deliver the first vehicle, Dry Combat Submersible 1, DCS-1, in February of next year. We just cleared the contracting with the U.S. SOCOM for DCS-2, and we do expect to get a contract for DCS-3 early next year.
I'm Stefan Nilsson from James Fisher Defence, a British company, and we also are in Sweden, where we built the SDV. It's a unique boat. It's a swimming delivery vehicle for 8 combat divers. On the surface, it's done 30 knots, and as you can see at the picture behind me, it's a semi-submerged boat. So in that mode, we still go on diesel, or we also can decide to go to electric and dive from that mode. And we dive for 15 nautical miles in 5 knots, and we also done 150 nautical miles on the surface. It's combat divers delivery, so exertion and insertion. We go in and leave a boat on the seabed. We can leave it there for 6 days, go out and do our mission, come back and pick it up and go away, going home. The Seal Carrier was designed in Sweden of Anders Magnefelt. He has an ex-combat diver background for 36 years, so he knew what we need underwater for doing missions safely.
We're showcasing our Diver Propulsion Device, or DPD System 2. This is a new innovation for STIDD. We have our Diver Propulsion Device vehicle that we've had out in the world for many years. We've got 500 units in operation by 30 different countries. In the last few years, though, listening to the customers, everybody wants increased range, speed for their combat insertion extraction missions, and they also want diver navigation and autonomy. So over the last few years, we've embarked on providing just that to the users. To begin with the DPD, we've added a couple different models. We have the usual single thruster or standard unit, and then we also offer an extended range battery for that unit, so you can go twice as far, and a dual thruster version that provides independent redundant propulsion. So that's for the vehicle. So the vehicle now is faster, it has longer range and more duration. All the things the operators are eager to have. The operators now have this ability with the OM2 option, the autonomous option, to use the vehicle as the standard diving propulsion manned, or turn it into a completely autonomous vehicle. So the CONOPS, or the missions that flow from that capability, are significant. Operators could be inserted manned on the DPD. They could arrive at a target, get off the DPD, and the DPD could be remotely pre-programmed, sent back to a mothership or a loiter station, and then recalled at a later time, mission depending, by the operators, either for a resupply or an extraction. So that's sort of the family of options, the upgrades to the DPD, the RNAV, the autopilot, and the full autonomous version that we brought together this year for DPD System 2.